Hi, we just received this gift box from Dalstrong Knives, and I'm going to open it up for you and let you see what's inside. If you're not familiar with Dalstrong Knives, they are fabulous, extremely sharp and beautifully designed. So let's have a look at this gift box, and as you can see, it's the Gladiator Series. So it comes in this nice presentation box, and in this case it's a wooden block complete with these knives shown here. A nice little carrying case. It's really well packaged, as you can see, and comes with some instructions, a guarantee, and a free VIP membership. And if you're not happy, you can contact them. They'll look after you, because quality is job one with them for sure. Okay, so the first one that comes out is this nice box here, and we'll just have a look at that. And just push this to the side. Okay, so wow, look at that, that's a beautiful knife there. Can kind of just about balance it, find the right spot. Anyway, that's a beautiful carving knife. Not an expert, but I presume that's what it is. Oh wow. You get your very own sharpener. That's a real weighted handle. Make sure you don't cut yourself here as you sharpen the blade. That's an excellent design. Safety conscious, obviously, in mind here. And there's a nice serrated knife. Once again, the Dalstrong emblem with the lion on it, just really nice design. And love those serrated edges. Now that's a knife. That's really a thing of beauty. You could hunt for alligators with this one. Another nice large carving knife. Not really sure what they're all used for, but we'll certainly find out soon. This one's a little paring knife, and they've included a little safety plastic holder there so that you don't cut your finger off. There's another larger serrated blade, once again, safety tips on there to prevent accidental amputation. Now, I love these indentations on the blade, and my understanding is that as you cut through the meat, this makes it easier, pushes the meat to the side and allows the blade to continue carving. Once again, the inclusion of a nice little safety tip cover. Okay. Alright, let's see what's... Well, nothing in that box, that's just in there to complete the package. Here is, this must be the block itself. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Check out the Dalstrong emblem here. Beautiful. This is like a, I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like a rosewood type finish. And the slots for the blades. Little bumpers on the bottom so that you don't scrape your countertop. Yeah, that's pretty heavy and solid, it won't fall over. So let's just see if we can assemble this. So obviously that goes in the round hole. I'm not really sure which sequence they are, but we'll try this. And you see that the safety cover goes easily into the slot in the block. Well, there you go. Isn't that a beautiful set? That looked great in any kitchen. So once again, Dalstrong knives. You can purchase these on Amazon.com. And I'll just read out what it includes here. A 9-inch slice carving knife, a 9-inch bread knife, an 8-inch chef's knife, 7-inch santoku for vegetables, a utility knife 6 inches long, a 5.5-inch serrated knife, a 3 3/4-inch paring knife, a honing rod, that's a honing rod, and the Dalstrong wood block. Yeah, it'll look great on any counter. So if you're in the market to get a new set of kitchen knives, think about Dalstrong knives and the quality program that they have, and the attention to detail and safety, as you can see with the safety tips that were included on these knives, just to make sure that maybe that they don't hit your countertop, and also just as a safety application, when you're finished with using the knife, clean it, dry it, and then put the tip on. Get your free membership Get the quality programme and satisfaction guaranteed. Dalstrong Knives, available on Amazon.com. Bye for now.